Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the Mazur v. Charles Russell Speechlys case, a landmark ruling that sent ripples through the UK legal world. However, before we get into that, I would like to issue the following disclaimer. I am not a solicitor and do not give legal advice. I have studied law and am a law enthusiast who is also studying towards my solicitor qualifying exam. Now that I have got that important detail out of the way, let's discuss this landmark case. Have you ever wondered what counts as conducting litigation under UK law? In Mazur v. Charles Russell Speechlys, the court tackled exactly that question, and its decision could change how law firms supervise paralegals and trainees. In this video, I am going to break down the background, the key legal issues, the court's reasoning, and what this means for you as a future solicitor or law student. The High Court's decision in Mazur's Charles Russell Speechlys, LLP, delivered on 16 September 2025, has significant implications for the legal profession, particularly concerning the conduct of litigation by non-authorized individuals. Case overview. The case arose when Julia Mazur and Stewart challenged the legitimacy of legal proceedings initiated by Goldsmith Bowers solicitors to recover unpaid fees involving a property dispute owed to Charles Russell Speechlys that amounted to about £54,000. The claim form and particulars of claim were signed by Peter Middleton, GBS's head of commercial litigation, who lacked a practicing certificate. The appellants contended that Middleton, not being authorized under the Legal Services Act, LSA, of 2007, was not entitled to conduct litigation even under supervision. The defendant law firm, Charles Russell Speechlys, faced questions about whether they had allowed an unauthorized person to carry out activities reserved for qualified solicitors. Initially, the stay on proceedings was lifted by His Honor Judge Simkis, who relied on a statement from GBS's director affirming Middleton's work was under supervision and the Solicitors Regulation Authority's SRA decision not to investigate. However, the High Court overturned this decision, ruling that Middleton was not authorized to conduct litigation even under supervision. Implications for legal practice. This ruling has profound implications for law firms, particularly those relying on non-authorized staff for litigation tasks. Firms must ensure that only authorized individuals undertake activities classified as the conduct of litigation. So, what are the key aspects from this case that you can take away as a law student, aspiring solicitor, or law enthusiast? Number 1, know your boundaries. Paralegals and trainees must understand what counts as reserved legal work. Number 2, supervision matters. Firms cannot delegate everything. The solicitor remains responsible. Number 3, Legal Services Act of 2007 is key. It is not just exam content, it shapes real-world professional practice. Number 4, ethics are not theoretical. Oversight here can have serious regulatory consequences under the Solicitors Regulatory Authority Code of Conduct. The Law Society has issued guidance to assist solicitors in understanding the boundaries between supporting litigation and conducting it, emphasizing the need for compliance with statutory requirements. The Solicitors Regulation Authority has reiterated that the judgment does not alter the legal position, but serves as a reminder of the limitations on the roles of non-authorized staff. Firms are advised to review their practices to ensure that only authorized individuals are responsible for conducting litigation. Conclusion. Personally, I think this case highlights the tension between efficiency and regulation. Law firms rely heavily on paralegals, but the court is reminding everyone that lines must be clear. The Mazur decision underscores the necessity for law firms to adhere strictly to the provisions of the Legal Services Act 2007 regarding the conduct of litigation. It highlights the importance of clearly delineating the roles of authorized and non-authorized individuals within legal practices to maintain compliance and uphold the integrity of legal proceedings. And that's a wrap on the Mazur v. Charles Russell Speechlys case. This ruling is a real wake-up call for the legal profession, highlighting exactly who can and cannot conduct litigation. It's a reminder of just how important legal authority is in practice. I would love to hear your thoughts on this case. Do you think the ruling was fair, or should there be more flexibility? Should experienced paralegals have more freedom to conduct litigation, or should those rights remain reserved for solicitors only? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. And while you are doing that, don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone interested in legal developments, and subscribe to my channel for more insights on landmark legal cases, as well as on SQE course module updates. I will be posting on a weekly basis every Tuesday, so be sure to look out for more content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.